Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the need of linked list. Okay, so first we have to know that why we need a linked list if we have an array. So what is the problem with the array? Suppose I have declared a array A which has the size 2. So then suppose it is stored from address 102 to 109, and I have assigned the 0th element value to 1 and first element value to 2. So suppose from the address 102 to 105 1 is stored, and from address 106 to 109 2 is stored, because it is an integer type of array and integer occupies 4 bytes of memory. Okay, so array is a contiguous allocation of the memory. Means if one is the location from 102 to 105, then 2 should be starting from 106. Okay, because it is the contiguous allocation of the memory. Okay, now suppose if I declared an integer variable b which has the value 100. Now it is not in our hand that we assign the memory block to the integers or array. It is done by the memory manager, so it is not our hand. So suppose the memory manager assigned the value 100 just after this 109 from 110 to 114. Suppose, okay, it is assigned b to this location. Array should be always contiguous. Okay, so now suppose we want to extend the size of our array. First we think that I only need 2 elements, but then after I think no, only 2 elements are not sufficient for me, I need 3 elements. So now what I will do, because I have already fixed the size of array to 2, so I cannot extend now. What can I do? Just I copy the new array at some new position. Okay, I cannot extend the array here. I should have to declare the new array and it should be assigned to a new position. I cannot extend it here because it is already fixed, and array should have also been contiguous location, contiguous memory of location. So this is the problem with array. We have to specify the size in the declaration, and if we want to extend, we have to copy the array at the new location. Okay, this is the problem and the need of linked list. Second thing is, in the array the insertion should not be done at the order of n, order of 1. The insertion in array should be done in the time complexity order of n, so it is also not good. Second thing, I already tell that the dynamic we cannot change the size of array dynamically. We have to give the size statically, and if we want to extend, then we should choose a new position for the array. So this is the problem with the array. We will discuss more things about linked list in the next video. This is the need of linked list. Just I tell you why we need a linked list. We will talk about linked list from next video.